Now, the Justice and Correctional Services Minister says the National Conference on the Constitution has been a success. Minister Ronald Lamola has promised to follow up on issues raised, while the conference reflected on the state of our democracy and constitutionalism.
Most of the constitutional development that has happened beyond the adoption of the Constitution and after it was adopted has been through the courts declaring these statutes to be unconstitutional and that law and that, and then we had to amend certain laws. But it has not been out of active state development of the Constitution to develop it to respond to the society that has been evolving. And that means that from the outcomes of this conference, we'll be able to channel the inputs through our Constitutional Development Unit, and hopefully we'll be able to find resources somewhere so that it's able to do its job of the development of the Constitution, so that we don't have to wait for the Concord to tell us that this law and that is what we need to develop. We should do it as a duty. And secondly, that may also help us to yearly and from time to time, at regular intervals, make inputs to the Constitutional Review Committee, which has got a duty to review the law, the Constitution, in terms of Section 45C, the committee chaired by Prof. Mutshekga in Parliament, and make inputs on the development of the Constitution. So I do think that this conference has been very helpful to us in pointing some of the challenges where we need to iron out certain issues and where we need to strengthen. So we have learned in the past 25 years, and those lessons have come through in these 3 days of the conference.